Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this entire red purple cut crease glitter look for you guys. Today in the UK it's so miserable, it's rainy as fuck. Currently my roof is leaking also, so today is a great day. So this will be a talk through tutorial, so if you want to see how I got this makeup look then please keep watching. Starting off with the Ciate Jessica Rabbit palette and picking up the matte lavender shade, I'm just going to stick that into my crease. Taking small circular motions, I'm just going to buff that out and work it in the crease. And I'm also going to angle it out so we have a little wing cat eye effect. And just going back and forth and buffing it out. And I'm going to go into this lighter matte shade, this beige shade. I'm just going to buff that out over the top just so we have a transition, a blend. And then to the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, taking the matte dark purple, I'm sticking that in the crease also, just so we have a deeper defined line, some definition, some depth. And then going back into the lavender shade that we put down originally, I'm just going to go back and forth between those two colours just to get a transition, a blend. And then to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm just going to cut out my crease. So if you have hooded lids, just stick it on your lid and look up a few times and that will be your transfer guide. And then if you want, like me, you can go in and freehand it, but just take your time, breathe, say a prayer, and then pat it out just to blend out the edges. Now this is a beautiful metallic foiled red and I'm sticking that all over the lid, but I am going to keep a gap between the purple and the red because I just think it looks better with that little white gap. And I'm just going to again kind of make it of an angle, make it an angle, and then I'm going to go into this rollerball shimmer pigment from MUA and I'm just going to go over the top. That's just going to give it a hint of extra oomph, an extra pizzazz, just a hint of more red foil shimmer. We love it. And then to clean up the edge to make it sharp, I'm going to go back into the Shape Tape Concealer just to sharpen that wing up and clean it up. Going back into the dark purple shade from the NYX Brights palette, I'm going to stick that on my lower lash line. And we're just going to take small strokes and we're just going to blend it out, and then we're going to put that nice purple metallic shade over the top. It's beautiful. I love this palette. These colours blend so well. They are so pigmented. They are beautiful. Yeah, until you get it into your eye and then you know what betrayal feels like. But then we're going to buff it out with that beige matte colour that we put in our crease just to soften it. And lashes, hello. Going into this metallic shimmery beige shade, I'm just going to use that as my inner corner highlight. And underneath the brow bone, my lashes will be linked down below because I can't remember the names of them. But onto the face, I'm going into the Revolution Pore Blur Primer. I'm just going to stick that all over the centre portion of my face where my larger pores are at, just to make them disappear so it's nice and flawless. For the foundation, which is by Revolution, this is the Define and Conceal and Define Satin Matte Full Coverage Foundation. I love this foundation, it's amazing, it's beautiful on the skin and it is full coverage, so it covers all the regrets and all of the non-Gucci handbags that we have under our eyes. Going back into this Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte, you've seen this already, but I'm just going to stick it in the places that I normally conceal, underneath the eyes, forehead, nose and chin. This will also give me a more brightened effect. I kind of want to conceal and brighten at the same time. Going into the e.l.f. Under Eye Setting Powers, I'm just using this on a dark beauty blender and I'm just going to set my under eyes to stop them from creasing, to stop them from melting away, to stop it from getting oily. And then for the rest of the face, I'm going to go into the Laura Geller Baked and Brighten foundation. I actually can't remember the name of it, there's too many foundations, but this will give me a really soft, glowy appearance, radiant, and luminescent. We love a bit of that. And then for bronzer, I'm going to go into the Revolution Bronzer Kiss. This is a really nice orangey brown bronzer just to warm the face up, just to give some dimension and colour back to the face, because let's be real, we lost it in the foundation and the concealer because I'm pale AF. And then to contour my face, I'm going to go into this grey tone brown from the NYX Contour Powder Palette, and I'm just going to keep that in the hollows of my cheeks. Again, dimension. And then for blush, I'm going to go into the Laura Geller Baked and Blush Brighten blush. This is in pink buttercream. It's so beautiful, very, very pigmented, and it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. And yes, I put it on my nose because I like to put a little bit of blush on my nose just for an added pop of colour, and I think it's, well, cute. Then I'm going to set my face with the Jack, Jamie and Revolution Tropical Quench Essence Spray. This smells phenomenal, so fresh. It isn't a setting powder, setting spray even, but I love it to set my face. And then for highlight, I'm going to go into this Baked Highlight by Laura Geller. And it's beautiful, it's stunning, and it's blinding. Get your sunglasses out, girls. It's blinding. And now for lips. I was so indecisive on the lip colour, but you know what? We're going in with both, and you know what? My camera just didn't want to record the first one. The first lipstick is Embellishment. It's a nice mauvey grey nude. And then the one that I'm putting on right now for an ombre is Lace Detail. And then I'm going to go in with a lip topper by Revolution. And this is the completed, finished look. Everything that I used would be listed down below for you guys as always. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit that bell button to be notified when I upload, which is every Tuesday. If you didn't like this video, by all means dislike the video. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. My Instagram, my Twitter and my PayPal is linked down below for any donations or follows or DMs. It's all down below. I hope you have a good day wherever you are in the world. It's rainy as fuck in the UK. That's why this is a voiceover and just a very simple look. But have a nice day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!